I have a Tramontina cooler model 80901-102. It starts and then stops running within seconds. I would also like a wiring diagram if you please.
Do you have a multimeter or voltage tester? What colors are the wires?
It's at my mother's home and yes to the multimeter.
How long has this been going on with your wiring? What have you tried so far?
Nothing, just started. I don't have a wiring diagram, so there was no point in messing around and breaking something.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Well, if I had a wiring diagram, I could see if it may be some sort of a relay switch or something, or if I need to get back with you for more help. I'm not the sharpest knife in the kitchen.
Hello, my name is. I'll be helping with your question today. Please give me a moment to review/research your question and I will get back to you shortly. In the meantime, you may reply to me at any time if you think of any additional details that may be helpful. For example, photos, brand and model information, sketches, locations, etc. etc. You will see a pop-up for an offer to call me. This is website generated and is not from me. Please disregard at this time. This is optional and usually not necessary. Hello, I have done my research and have only found the use and care instructions, no wiring diagrams, no service manuals, no user replaceable parts. I have attached an electronic copy of the manual for your use and reference. Here is a link to the customer support site where you can submit a ticket: https:/tramontina.zendesk.com/hc/ns. I hope I have answered your question. If any part of my response is unclear, let me know. My goal is to provide excellent service, so let me know if there is anything more I can do for you. Please remember to click a rating for our Q&A session at the top/bottom of your screen. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.